VIVO T2X 5G versus Redmi 13c 5G versus IQOO Z9x 5G. Now for display type, screen size, display resolution, display PPI, refresh rate, display protection, dust and water resistant, now for performance, operating system, chipset, processor, graphic processing unit, now for storage, RAM memory, internal memory, memory card slot. Now for camera, VIVO T2X 5G, Redmi 13c 5G, IQOO Z9x 5G. Back camera makes video recording. Selfie camera. Now for battery capacity, fast charging, reverse charging. Now for connectivity, network, fingerprint sensor, Bluetooth, USB port support, NFC. Now for design and build, stereo speakers, headphone jack, back protection, weight, now for price, specs score. Thanks for watching this video.